Alright, today I thought I'd do a video of my greens roller mower. This roller mower was found at a dump, a local dump to us, recycling market / dump, and basically it's like all the other mowers around the 50s and 60s period, except this one's like more enclosed. Like my Atco standard down there, it's all open around here, so it's sort of as we found it. We resprayed the catcher, but yeah, it's as we found it. It's got your throttle there, it's 2-stroke. It's got the wrong petrol tank on it. I think that's a Villiers Mark 12 petrol tank. It's an inspection plate. Lightweight mower, motor mower. Yeah, so just starting up for you. And this mower was found completely off the dump. We haven't done anything to it because, yeah. Anyway, I'll start her up. Fuel on. Choke. Should go about first kick.